So Dad, you've been doing motorbike riding for more than 30 years. And how did you get into motorbike riding when you were younger?
I think I used to see them in the magazines and always wanted to ride one, so I all started from there.
Okay. So Zach, what's your opinion on motorbikes?
In my opinion, motorbikes are cool and all, but they can also be dangerous.
Dad, can you tell me what's important to you about motorbike riding and what makes it memorable?
Oh, I think I just like riding them for the physical aspects, to keep me fit, and it's fun and I don't know, makes the day go quicker when you ride your motorbike.
Yeah. So Zach, can you please tell me how you got into motocross?
Well, I don't know it the best, but I think I got into motocross because my dad always raced and that sort of stuff, and then he got me a motorbike. And it was one that was a guy came into his work and said, "Do you want this motorbike? Because I'm gonna throw it out." And it was a decent one, so he kept it and fixed it up for me. And then I started riding it. And then I've had other bikes, and then that brings me to now. And yeah, now I'm racing. Never used to do that before.
Okay. So, Zach, why is the topic important and memorable to you? Like, why are motorbikes and motocross very important to you?
Motocross and motorbikes are important to me because my dad and my sister ride, and my dad got me into it, and then I liked it and it became one of my passions.